Hi everyone, it's Nicole here, and today we're going to try out this cool magic milk color experiment. What we'll need for this experiment is any type of container. A clear one is probably preferable, but doesn't matter too much. Some milk, food coloring. I chose blue and yellow food coloring, and I wanted to do all three of the primary colors, which are blue, yellow, and red, but I was missing red food coloring, so what I decided to do instead was make my own using an old red marker. So I just left it sitting in some water for a few minutes and I came up with this. So we'll see if that will work for our red color. You also will need a Q-tip. I didn't have any Q-tips here with me, so I used a skewer with a tiny pom-pom stuck on the end of it. I think that will do the trick. And a tiny little amount of dish soap, which I have just in here. So the first thing that we're going to do is pour some milk into our container. Not sure if that's enough, but we will see. Afterwards, we're going to start putting a couple of drops of food coloring. You can already see the colors starting to mix together. That red definitely looks more pink, but I think that's okay. All right. Next, you'll take your Q-tip, or in my case, skewer with pom-pom on the end of it, and just dip it in a small amount of dish soap. So that it looks something like that. You're going to take your Q-tip or pom-pom dipped in dish soap, and you'll just stick it in the middle of all your food coloring, and look at that, it just gets pushed away from the dish soap right away. Let's try touching some different corners. How pretty and fun. So you really can't see the reddish pink that I did. Unfortunately, that didn't work. So I guess you really do need real food coloring for this one. It's good to test that out. Wow, look how pretty all the swirls are. I just keep touching in different places and it just spreads out. But can you see what color our yellow and blue food coloring mixed together make? You see all that green in there? How pretty. Let's see what happens if we do a big swirl. Little swirls. This is very relaxing. You could sit here and just do this for a while. It'd be fun to try it with different colors too. So if you have some different colored food coloring at home, I encourage you to give that a try. Hope you enjoyed. Bye for now.